Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am explaining the nail art hacks that will seriously upgrade your mani. Let's move to number 1. Use a sponge to create cool ombre mani. Start by the painting your nails with the lightest color as your base on a flat surface. Swirl the two polishes together with a toothpick. Dab a sponge onto the polish a few times and blot onto your tips. Move to the number second. Use a Sharpie to create stick free design. Apply a base color, then use a thin Sharpie to draw straight on your nail polish for cool DIY design. Number 3. Use paper reinforcement to create a flawless half moon mani. Number 1. Stick on. Number 2. Liqueur up and peel off. Number 3. Press, paint and peel. And last but not least, show off. Number 4. Show off. Let's move number 4. Use a rubber band to create perfect French manicure. Tie a rubber band in the middle loop and over your thumb to create tension on the hand, and align the other end over the top of your nail to create the French tip shape. Voila, you will have curved line to use as a stencil as you paint the tip of your nail. Let's move to number 5. Soak your tips. Soak your tips in ice water after you paint them to speed up drying time. Let's move to number 6. Make your mani last longer by sweeping the edge of your nail with a clear top coat. Number 7. Make your own glitter polish by adding your Fab Craft store glitter with a clear top coat. Let's move to number 8. Use a tiny paintbrush to tidy up your mani. The best way to remove any extra polish that gets on your cuticles is by dipping a small paintbrush in nail polish remover. You won't have any fuzzy hair like a cotton swab can leave behind, and the bristles can get up between the side wall and nail more easily. Number 9. Apply a white base coat to make neon polish seriously pop. Let's move to number 10. Invest in a fan brush for a cool stripe look. Number 11. Use the tip of a bobby pin to make polka dots. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.